and this time I will show you to how I tidy my room, my very tiny room, because it's a lot of stuff now, and I'm gonna put away my winter clothes into summer clothes. And so this is supposed to be my dance, but because of the virus, the coronavirus that is a problem in the world today, it was been postponed twice, so I have to keep this away for a little while. I think it will be shown again this summer, so I hope that you keep watching. How I tidy my clothes by color. So this is all like blue, white, yellow, red and pink and black, so I can tell which of my color that I really like to wear. I love blue and white usually, like all those dark colors I usually use for occasional, but like every time I wear it's like I like blue.